In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch ESPN in Canada so you can enjoy live sports and highlights. Let's get started. To access ESPN in Canada, use a reliable VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Download and install the VPN app on your device, smartphone, tablet, or computer, and connect to a US-based server to bypass geo restrictions. Once connected, subscribe to ESPN Plus or a streaming service that includes ESPN, such as Hulu plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV. Open the ESPN app or website, log in with your account credentials, and navigate to the Live Sports section to stream live events, highlights, and exclusive content. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, download the ESPN app, log in, and activate it by visiting espn.com/activate if required. For uninterrupted viewing, ensure a stable internet connection. Alternatively, cast content from your phone to your TV using Chromecast or AirPlay. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN in Canada.